Alright guys, so how to remove your Kick broadcast. So first of all, you're gonna go to Kick and come here, go to your channel and click videos, and over here you can see this X mark. Over here just click the X mark and it says, are you sure you want to delete this video, you won't be able to recover? And you know what it means, just click delete, and once you delete it's just gone, poof. So yeah, it's very simple video, and if it doesn't work, comment below. Sorry, my bad. If this helped you, just comment below. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a nice day. Oh, 40 minutes, so 40 seconds. Actually, make this video 1 minute because of YouTube algorithm, otherwise I would have finished this right here in 30 seconds.